Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of authentic Kozhikodan style beef biryani. This biryani is aromatic and super delicious. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to slice the onions thinly. For that, I'm using this food processor. You can use any slicer or slice it thinly using knife. Totally, I have taken 5 medium-sized onions. If you have quite big-sized onions means you can take 4. So make sure to slice it thinly like this. Here I have taken 5 green chilli and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Instead of ginger garlic paste, take 15 cloves of garlic and a big piece of ginger. I had frozen homemade ginger garlic paste and hence I'm using it to ease my job. This biryani doesn't have chilli powder, so if you want more spicy means you can increase the quantity of green chilli. Add in 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. In goes 10 shallots. Shallots gives nice flavor to the biryani. Grind everything into a coarse paste. Ginger, garlic, green chilli and shallots are grinded perfectly. Next I am going to marinate the beef. I have taken 500 grams of boneless beef. But I would recommend to take beef with bone. Slice the beef into quite big pieces. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic masala paste. In goes 2 thinly sliced onions. Add in 2 sliced big sized tomatoes. In goes 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add in salt as needed. Add in some chopped coriander leaf and mint leaf. In goes 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Add in 3 tablespoons of thick curd. In goes juice of half a lemon. Add in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix all the ingredients nicely so that it combines well. Marinate the beef with the masalas for 1 hour in the refrigerator. I have taken the marinated beef out of the refrigerator. Now it's time to cook the beef. Transfer the beef with the masalas in a pressure cooker. Add in half a cup of water. Give it a mix and cover the pressure cooker with the lid and the weight on. The cooking time depends on the quality of the beef and the pressure cooker. Hence, we cannot generalize the cooking time. For me, it took 12 whistles to cook the beef. First, you can cook the beef for 8 whistles, you can check it, and if it is still not done means you can increase the whistles. So make sure to cook the beef at right consistency. Next important ingredient is jeera masala rice or jeera sampa rice. Take 2 cups of jeera sampa rice. The speciality of Kozhikodan biryani is this jeera sampa rice. Clean the rice and soak it for half an hour. The beef is cooked well and let's open and check. It took 12 whistles for me to cook this beef. Beefs are cooked in medium flame. Next I am going to prepare the fried onions, which is also known as birista. Take 3/4 cup of oil in a kadai and add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is hot, add in 2 sliced onions. The fried onions gives nice flavor to the biryani. Well, Malabar Kozhikodan biryanis will have these fried onions. This should be the color of the fried onions. Add in 10 to 15 cashew nuts and fry it. Once it turns golden brown color, remove it from the oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of raisins. Remove it from the oil once it puffs up. Fried onions, cashew nuts and raisins are ready now. Next I am going to prepare the rice for the biryani. Add in 2 tablespoons of ghee in a casserole. In goes 3 tablespoons of onion fried oil. I have used sunflower oil. Add in the whole spices. Add in 4 cardamoms, few cloves, mace, cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. In goes 1 sliced onion. Saute slightly until it turns translucent. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic masala paste which we grinded earlier. Saute it until the raw smell goes off. Now add in the soaked jeera sampa rice. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add in 3 cups of hot water. For 1 cup of rice, we need 1.5 cups of hot water. Make sure to use hot water so that the rice gets cooked perfectly. Add in salt as needed. Give it a stir so that everything combines well. Cover it with the lid and cook the rice. Open it and check for the salt. If there is less salt means you can add at this point of time. Cover it with the lid and cook it in medium flame. The jeera sambar rice has cooked perfectly. Well, the rice is cooked completely. I have also prepared Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Take large size casserole and add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add in 2 tablespoons of onion fried oil. In goes 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic masala paste. Saute slightly until the raw smell goes off. Now add in the cooked beef masala. I feel the beef masala is quite dry and hence I am adding half a cup of water. Beef masala should be of this consistency, so add in water accordingly. Add in a fistful of coriander leaf and mint leaf. Check for the salt at this point of time and add it if required. Now add in a fistful of fried onion. Saute it for a couple of minutes and switch off the flame. Flavorful beef masala and the ghee rice are ready now. It's time to layer the biryani and dum cook it. Add in half the quantity of the ghee rice. Actually, I have switched off the flame at this point of time. Sprinkle some cashew nuts, raisins, fried onions, coriander leaf and mint leaf. Drizzle some ghee as well, which I forgot to do it. Add a little garam masala powder for that extra flavor. Now add in the remaining ghee rice. Gently level the ghee rice with a spoon like this. Sprinkle some fried onions, cashew nuts, raisins, coriander leaf, mint leaf and some ghee. Finally, sprinkle some garam masala powder. Cover it with the lid and dum cook it for 20 minutes. Cook the biryani at very low flame. You can prepare chicken or mutton biryani using the same method. Kozhikodan special beef biryani is ready now. This biryani is so flavorful and delicious. Do try this biryani at least once and definitely sure this is gonna be your favorite one. Usually the rice and the beef pieces will be removed separately. This will be served with the rice along with some beef pieces. But I used to mix the rice as well as the beef masala. The flavor of jeera sala rice and the fried onions take this biryani to the next level. Do try this beef biryani and share me the feedback. If you try this biryani, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I made pink palada payasam along with this beef biryani. I'll share the recipe link in the description below. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.